Hi, I'm Mark Andrews aboard a 2019 Boston Whaler Montauk 150. It's a fantastic fishing package or fun for the kids. This boat comes with the 60 Merc, 4-stroke of course, a 13-gallon tank. The leaning post goes into 4 different positions so you can sit back and watch the fish or the kids. Use it as a leaning post while you're driving or sit down comfortably. This boat comes with a fishing package which includes a 36-quart cooler and rod holders and a great seat up here. On board, one of the options we have are the higher rails with a split bow. We also have the front cushion on this boat, which makes for a real comfortable fishing and fun platform. I'd love to show you the boat personally. My name is Mark Andrews. I'm in Westbrook, Connecticut at MarineMax. You can reach us at 860-399-5581. Thank you.